a machine built for one goal: survive. It far outweighs an elephant. Its doors are also as heavy as an airliner's. In a war zone, she wouldn't just survive. This is the Beast, indestructible fortress. When it comes to protecting the president, nothing is left to chance. The Beast isn't just armored. It's designed like a battlefield bunker. Its armor uses layered aluminum, ceramic, titanium, and tempered steel. Each layer stops specific threats, from bullets to explosives. The windows alone are nearly 5 inches thick. They don't roll down. They don't crack. Made of glass polycarbonate composite, they're built to withstand gunfire, blasts, and even chemical attacks. Before the road, the Beast is pushed to the edge. Tested in extreme temps, blasts, and hard crashes, the underside of the vehicle is reinforced to survive bomb blasts, while the fuel tank is filled with blast-resistant foam. Not transport, it's a rolling fortress. Number 9. Arms defense. If the armor were to fail, which it shouldn't, the Beast has other ways to fight back. It's said to carry smoke screens, systems that spray oil onto the road, and electrified door handles capable of delivering a shock powerful enough to neutralize a threat. Inside, reports mention the presence of weapons like shotguns and tear gas systems. The car itself weighs between 8 and 10 tons. It's protected by thick armor plates and a reinforced floor designed to absorb blasts from below. Its windows can stop large caliber handgun bullets without cracking, and even if the tires are destroyed, it doesn't matter. They are reinforced with Kevlar and mounted on steel rims, allowing the vehicle to keep moving despite extreme damage. But the Beast is never alone. Just behind it is a vehicle called Watchtower, equipped with advanced signal jammers designed to block remote detonations, a technology drawn from real conflicts in Iraq and Afghanistan. Together, a mobile defense system. Number 8. Advanced comms. Inside the Beast, silence reigns. Almost no sound enters the cabin, so microphones on the outside capture the world and transmit it inside via speakers. But here, communication isn't just about hearing, it's about controlling. The Beast has encrypted sat phones, secure internet, and direct communication lines to the Pentagon. In a crisis, it becomes a mobile command center capable of managing classified operations in real time. President can stay connected, issue orders, coordinate responses from backseat, even in an emergency. To support it, another motorcade vehicle steps in, Roadrunner. It carries a powerful satellite antenna connected to the military system, ensuring uninterrupted communication anywhere on Earth. In gridlock, on highways, amid chaos, the president stays reachable at all times. Number 7. Armor countermeasures. Beyond brute force, Beast defends smartly. Its tires are built to survive destruction. Wheels pivot hard, enabling fast escapes when every second matters. Smoke screens and countermeasures can disorient threats and create instant cover. Inside, the cabin is completely sealed. If chemicals strike, oxygen kicks in as filters scrub the air. Then one small detail quietly says it all right here. Only one window in the entire vehicle can open, the driver's, and even it only goes down 3 inches. This choice has historical roots. After Kennedy's assassination, all open exposure ended. Every potential loophole was closed. 3 inches is all outsiders ever get. Number 6. Medical survival gear. The Beast isn't just designed to defend. It's prepared to survive. Inside, there is a supply of the president's blood type stored in a refrigerated unit, as well as advanced medical equipment and a defibrillator. It also has its own oxygen supply capable of keeping passengers alive for hours if the cabin is sealed. The vehicle can accommodate up to 7 people, ensuring the president is never isolated. Just behind, a medical team follows the procession, ready to act. These doctors are trained to perform emergency procedures, even at high speed. In the trunk is an emergency kit with essential clothing and supplies in case the motorcade gets separated. Not just protection, it's a mobile survival system. Number 5. Advanced tech performance. For a heavy machine, moving is hard, yet the beast stays precise. It's equipped with advanced navigation systems, night vision cameras, and a suspension designed to smooth out even the roughest terrain. Though it weighs tons, it can still hit highway speeds when needed. But that engineering came from failure. Old presidential cars with heavy armor began failing. Systems buckled under strain. General Motors shifted strategy. Instead of modifying a car, they built something new from the ground up. The Beast now rests on a commercial truck chassis similar to those used for heavy-duty work vehicles. It's barely a car now. Wherever the president goes, it follows, airlifted on C-17 Globemasters. Number 4. The Beast's heart. Diesel-powered by design. Diesel fuel is much less flammable than gasoline, which makes it safer in a combat situation. It also provides the torque needed to move an enormous mass under pressure. The engine is reportedly a 6.6L Duramax V8 designed for heavy-duty performance. It's not fast. It takes about 15 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. But speed was never the goal. The goal is reliability, power, endurance. When all else fails, the Beast keeps moving forward. Number 3. The human touch. Despite its armor and firepower, the Beast has another job. Connection? Large tinted windows are designed for protection and clear visibility. At public appearances, people can still see the president inside. A wave, a look. Small interactions matter. Officially a parade limousine, it shows that even the world's best protected person must stay visible at all times. Leading isn't just safety, it's showing up. Number 2. Taming the Beast is tough for anyone. Driving the Beast is unlike anything. Nearly 5.5 meters, tons heavy. It steers like a moving wall. Only elite Secret Service agents are chosen to drive it, and their training is intense. At a facility, they practice high-speed maneuvers, emergency turns, and defensive driving for worst cases. But even the best training can't prevent real-world incidents. In London, the Beast once struggled to make a tight turn on camera. In Dublin, she got stuck there leaving an embassy ramp, scraping the ground. Seen worldwide? Reminder, even the most advanced machines still have limits too. That's why motorcades stay short. For long trips, helicopters take over. Number 1. 2 beasts. Here's the final secret. There isn't just one beast. Each motorcade includes several identical limousines, impossible to tell apart. Same model, plates alike. Nobody knows which carries the president. Sometimes 2+. At events, fleets appear, sowing confusion and uncertainty. Each new version of the Beast costs millions, with even more spent on research and development. Fuel economy is almost irrelevant. It burns fuel at a staggering rate. When its time comes, the Beast isn't retired. It's destroyed, moved to secure sites, live fire tested, then dismantled so its secrets vanish with it for good. No build survives. All are wiped. From armor to life support, battlefield defense to human link. The Beast is what happens when engineering is pushed to its absolute limit. All of it to answer a single question.